The Germans also had the bright idea of mounting anti-aircraft guns on lorries and attacking the tanks with armor-piercing shells.
9 tanks roll towards us. The captain orders, "Steady men, wait for it." When the enemy is less than 100 meters away, the command rings out, "Rapid fire." The first tank rears upwards. Those following halt. One direct hit after another.
Within a week, the Germans launched a massive counterattack, with stormtroopers supported by aircraft. Within 10 days, they'd recovered all their lost ground. Yet Cambrai was crucial for the British. They'd gained valuable experience with the tanks and cracked their artillery problems. Vital lessons were learned about teamwork on the battlefield. The big challenge for both sides now was how to consolidate the successful breakthrough. The master of that would win the war.